going on, everybody? This is Demetrius Harris, your DAC funding broker, and on this channel I help business owners get access to funding in all types of industries. If you own a hotel, motel, boutique hotel, extended stay property, or hospitality business and need money for renovations, payroll, operating expenses, or growth, this video is for you. A lot of hotel owners are bringing in reservations and generating revenue, but they still run into cash flow pressure when it is time to upgrade rooms, handle payroll, cover operating expenses, or improve the property to stay competitive. In this video, I'm going to break down how hotel funding works, how businesses may access $100,000 to $2 million, what lenders usually look for, and how the right funding may help you handle renovations, payroll, and daily operations. Let's get into it. Let's start with the reality of running a hotel business. Hotels have major overhead and ongoing operating costs. You have payroll, utilities, insurance, property maintenance, cleaning, repairs, supplies, marketing, software, taxes, and general operating expenses. On top of that, hotels often need capital for room upgrades, lobby improvements, furniture, fixtures, equipment, parking lot repairs, signage, HVAC systems, roofing, plumbing, and other property improvements. Even when a hotel is generating revenue, these large expenses can create pressure on cash flow. That is why funding can play a major role in helping a hotel stay competitive and profitable. One of the biggest reasons hotel owners seek funding is renovations. In hospitality, appearance matters. Guests pay attention to the condition of rooms, bathrooms, lobby areas, hallways, parking lots, amenities, and overall presentations. Outdated rooms and worn down common areas can hurt bookings, reviews, and repeat business. Funding can help hotel owners renovate rooms, upgrade furniture, improve curb appeal, modernize amenities, and make the property more attractive to guests. In many cases, renovations are not just cosmetic. They are directly tied to occupancy, reputation, and revenue. Another major challenge in the hotel business is operating cash flow. Hotels have to keep things running every day. That means payroll for front desk staff, cleaning crews, maintenance workers, management, and other employees. It also means utilities, laundry, supplies, cleaning products, repairs, and routine maintenance. These bills continue whether occupancy is high or low. That is why hotel owners may need funding, not just for large renovations, but also for payroll and ongoing operations that keep the property functioning smoothly. There are many reasons a hotel owner may seek business funding. Some need money for property renovations. Some need to cover payroll or operating costs during slower periods. Others need funding for furniture, fixtures, equipment, technology upgrades, HVAC systems, roofing, plumbing, landscaping, security systems, or expansion. Some hotel owners need capital to improve guest experience and attract more bookings. Others want to stabilize operations and strengthen cash flow. The right funding can help a hotel business solve immediate problems while also supporting long-term growth. Now let's talk about what access to $100,000 to $2 million can mean for a hotel. At the lower end, that capital may help cover short-term renovations, payroll support, deferred maintenance, or operational needs. At the higher end, it may help with large-scale renovations, major upgrades, room remodels, facility improvements, expansion, rebranding, or repositioning the property for stronger revenue. The amount a hotel may qualify for depends on the strength of the business, revenue, time in business, cash flow, and overall financial picture. The key point is this: funding can give hotel owners room to improve the property and room to operate more confidently. One of the most important funding tools for hotel owners is working capital. Working capital is flexible business funding that can be used for payroll, supplies, utilities, repairs, maintenance, marketing, insurance, taxes, and daily operations. This type of funding can be extremely important in hospitality because revenue may fluctuate by season, occupancy, local events, or market conditions. Working capital can help bridge those gaps and keep operations running without unnecessary pressure. For many hotel owners, the main funding need is property improvement. That can include room remodels, lobby upgrades, bathroom renovations, flooring, paint, furniture, mattresses, lighting, signage, exterior improvement, parking lot repairs, elevator work, and more. Renovation funding can help hotel owners improve their guest experience, strengthen reviews, increase occupancy, and potentially justify higher room rates. In hospitality, better presentation can often lead to stronger revenue potential. Now, let's talk about what lenders usually look for when reviewing a hotel business for funding. First, they often look at time in business and the operating history of the property. Second, they want to review monthly revenue and how consistent the business cash flow has been. Third, they may review bank activity, current debt, occupancy trends, business financials, and the personal credit profile of the owner. The important thing to understand is that lenders often look at the full picture, not just one number by itself. A lot of business owners assume they cannot get funding if their credit is not perfect. That is not always true. Credit does matter, but it is not always the only factor. Revenue matters, cash flow matters, time in business matters, deposits matters, the overall stability of the business matters. So if your hotel is generating revenue and showing business activity, you may still have options available depending on the total financial picture. One of the biggest mistakes hotel owners make is waiting too long. They wait until repairs are overdue, guest experience has dropped, reviews are falling, or cash flow is already strained. Another mistake is not knowing the numbers clearly. You should know your revenue, occupancy trends, major expenses, and exactly what the funding will be used for. Other mistakes include poor record keeping, too many overdraft, mixing personal and business finances, and applying for the wrong funding product. Preparation matters. If you want to improve your approval odds, start by keeping your records organized. Make sure your revenue deposits are consistent and easy to track. Separate business and personal finances. Reduce negative bank activity where possible. Know your average monthly revenue and have a clear plan for the funds. Show how the money will help strengthen operations, improve the property, or increase revenue potential. Hotel owners who are prepared usually put themselves in a better position when applying. Let's say you own a hotel that has decent occupancy, but the rooms are outdated and guest reviews are starting to slip. Funding could help you renovate rooms, improve furnishing, and upgrade the property so you can attract more bookings and create a better guest experience. Or maybe occupancy is steady, but payroll, utilities, repairs, and operating expenses are putting pressure on your cash flow. Working capital could help keep the property running smoothly while their business continues bringing in revenue. The right funding depends on the exact challenge you are trying to solve. The right funding can help a hotel business grow in a major way. It can help improve the appearance of the property, strengthen guest satisfaction, increase occupancy, support marketing, stabilize payroll, improve operations, and create more confidence in the business. It can also help owners avoid falling behind on important repairs and upgrades that affect reputation and revenue. When used strategically, funding can help a hotel go from maintaining the property to truly improving and growing it. At the end of the day, hotel funding can be a powerful business tool when used the right way. Whether you need $100,000, $500,000, or up to $2 million for renovations, payroll, operating expenses, or growth, the key is understanding your options and positioning your business the right way. Funding should not be looked at only as a last resort. It can also be used as a smart strategy to improve the property and strengthen the business. If you own a hotel and need funding for renovations, payroll, operations, or growth, check the link in the description to see what options may be available for your business. And make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business funding content for all industries. And I will see you in the next video.